Condor provides design consultation, technical support, and geostructural engineering for new wine cave projects, as well as rehabilitation of older existing wine caves. We often begin with project feasibility, then assist with conceptual design, final design, and construction phase engineering. We are a significant part of the overall design and construction team. The history of wine cave construction dates back to the late 1850s and early 1860s in the Napa, Sonoma Valley region. California's first wine cave was at Buena Vista Winery in Sonoma. Jacob Schramm founded Schramsberg Vineyards near Calistoga in 1862 and soon after constructed caves. Over the years, Condor has provided rehabilitation design services for both of these older properties. Wine caves are an integral component of the Northern California wine industry, with hundreds of caves currently in use for aging of barrels, tasting rooms, marketing events, as well as wine production. In 1991, Condor joined with Alf Bertelsen on the design and construction of the elaborate Jarvis wine cave project in Napa. Over 45,000 square feet of underground winery and cave space was constructed, with tunnel arch spans exceeding 85 feet in width. At Jarvis, the entire winery is contained within the tunneled areas, including crushing, fermentation, barrel storage, bottling, lab, office, marketing, and hospitality areas. Since then, Condor and I have constructed over 300 projects in Napa, Sonoma area, the North Coast, Central Coast, Sierra Foothills regions, as well as Southern California, Oregon, Washington, Texas, and other areas. We have written papers and have spoken at events educating people about the benefits of constructing wine caves in comparison to above-ground facilities. The barrel aging of wine underground offers the primary benefit of reduced evaporation from between 5 and 10% compared to above-ground facilities. Other benefits include energy efficiency and the optimum use of limited land surface above. Wine caves naturally provide both high humidity and cool temperatures, key to the storage and aging of wine. High humidity serves to minimize evaporation. Humidity in wine caves typically ranges from 70 to 90%. In addition to storage, humidity, and cost savings, the stability of wine caves exceed typical buildings. In 2014, the South Napa earthquake caused $400 million in damage, attributed mostly to older commercial buildings and some newer buildings in downtown Napa, and failed utility systems. No significant structural damage to underground wine caves or damage to wine cave context was reported. Finally, fire safety. In recent years, from the 2017 wildfire through the past fire season, Napa, Sonoma, and surrounding areas have suffered devastating losses to life and property. Fire potential has made ensuring an above-ground building nearly impossible in some areas, but wine caves don't burn. Condor has recently designed and assisted with construction on several projects where clients use their cave as a fire refuge. Because each project is unique, Condor has found out the best way for us to approach a project is in phases. In general, during our initial phase, we perform a site visit with the owner to determine the most likely location and layout for the cave on the property. During this initial phase, we collaborate with the client and design team on the conceptual design of the project. Once the team has defined the conceptual design, we go to work on the next phase, subsurface exploration drilling along the potential alignment of the tunnel and of the portal locations. The data we gather during drilling assists us in determining what kind of ground we will be tunneling through. Our design determines the type of support the tunnel contractor will need while constructing the tunnels and portal walls. This information is used for both permitting through the county of the project through the county agencies as well as construction. Because subsurface drilling provides only a snapshot of the ground condition, Condor observes and monitors the construction activities. Ground conditions often vary between boreholes, and we support changes in design and provide engineering during construction through these variations. Once construction is complete, Condor provides final documentation for submittal to the county agents to allow occupancy.